Deep in the mountains of West Virginia, you will find
Hatfields and McCoys, where there's over 1,000 miles of trail.
One of our favorite places to stay is Ashland Resorts. As we get unloaded, wait for everybody to show up. We get our machines ready to go, everything from dirt bikes, four-wheelers, and even side-by-sides. We're going to bring you along just to show you that Hatfield McCoy has something for everyone.
Yep, we're back for our annual Hatfield McCoy family adventure. Come along with us to see if you want to start a family tradition of your own.
Come on, Tracy! Go up here and turn around. Good luck, Eric. Just be prepared to run out of the way in case she gets out of control. You're wet enough. Hey, his butt cheek is dry. You need one more trip. One more. My butt. Johnny is going to be so mad. And don't get it muddy. It's bad when John's asking Kindle for directions.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, said no, man, I still go. Go, 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 but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst stuff saying, turn them to a game. Take the best stuff saying, put them on display. Don't compete in the rain till you feel it, no more pain. Ooh, never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you know you can never do before. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
This got so much worse. You can't ride the camera on? I thought I had it, too. I talked over the hook.
Feel slow, you can still go. Go, no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Stop your rocket. Don't wreck! Don't wreck!
Hey, I see where you
Easy, Jonna. What are you doing? That's crazy. Are you scared? Good job. Nice, Sweetie. Good job, Sweetie. No, he's going slow. There you go, Hazard County Car Wash.
I thought you had a regular and a white windshield.
No, we're almost down to the Vittles. We'll cut down over the hill to the Brimwell. Oh shoot, we got to go back across.
You had the thing turned upside down when you.
Yeah, I do. All right, well, we got to turn around.
Bubba will be the first one back.
Okay. Hey.
Mona told me all my fish died.
Oh, probably because of too much water or something?
All 9 of them.
Did they drown? Just go slow, it'll go right through there. It's a beast! Either that or get to the right there. No problem. Just so you know, this is Johnny's idea, this trail. Oh, well, let's see if they got you broke in. This is the worst of it, I think. All right, well, hold on to your teeth. Rough. This has gotten a lot worse. It wasn't as bad as last year. Video. Honey, how you like how Judy used Kendall to get out of the side by side?
I know.
Yeah, she's like, I'm gonna help Kendall. I'm like, do what? Kendall's fine. You would have been fine.
Now, I had to follow Kendall the way she come. I tried to come straight up. I tried to go back.
I don't remember that.
You don't. It got rough. It's a lot rougher than it used to be.
That ain't the way to go.
Judy,
What?
why did you get out?
I'm talking about a little boy.
Yeah, you said Kendall. No problems at all. Nope.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, that's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class to find, yeah, a true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Go left of that big rock right there. Go run to the left. Getting a parade. That's unreal.
Pretty good group of people. We have my dad and Gary. Gary is from Tennessee and Robert is from Tennessee also. Charlotte, Tennessee. My son Ty. Kenny's dad, Junior. My mom. Of course, you know, Tracy and Eric. And then Barbara is in the background, which we're going to interview with her at some point. What are the questions? So this is my sister Tracy and her boyfriend Eric.
Hello.
And they're from Michigan, so I'm going to ask them a few questions. So guys, how do you like Hatfield McCoy so far?
Beautiful. Rough trails, but it's fun. Very exciting.
Doing an amazing job driving.
Yeah, thanks.
So tell me, I know that you rented your side-by-side. Where did you get it from?
I know that.
Country store.
Ashland Country Store.
So what they did is they went on the Ashland Resort and they rented their side-by-side for 3 days. So if you don't have your own machine, that's definitely a good option.
Very nice GPS sound system.
Nice.
Link it up to your phone. We got music playing.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So would you guys recommend coming back here again?
Absolutely. Yes.
Nice. So what's your favorite part about Hatfield McCoy so far?
Besides the food, I'd say the mud and the water.
Mud in the water. Tracy, what about you?
I think it's nice to see the family get together.
The Kindle said.
Yeah.
Me too. All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm glad Eric has some mud.
Right.
Hi, everybody. What are we doing?
All right, guys. This is Barbara, and she is from Tennessee, and she's been coming to Hatfield McCoys with us a few times.
Yes.
She, of course, goes all over the United States and rides. But we want to ask you, how do you like Hatfield McCoys?
We really love Hatfield McCoy. We just got done a couple weeks in Tennessee, which was extremely rocky, very rutted, very difficult riding. And this is just like having a freeway. We love it. And the scenery, beautiful.
So
plus, we got a Helms reunion.
It's a helm. This is how we can get all together. And I'm trying to ask everybody, what's some of the few things that you think is essential to bring on the trail?
Water, air compressor, jack,
Tow rope,
spare tire, all these just in case, you know, nice to have. And of course, it gets dusty, so you need a little bit of a dust mask or goggles. Don't forget your helmet. And I think that's about it. Rain gear.
Reindeer. And we had to, Ty's machine broke yesterday, so the tow rope and the air compressor both came in handy. So Barb, are we going to see you again next year at Hatfields?
Absolutely.
It's a family tradition.
Yeah. Love it.
Sister?
Wait, go ahead.
She has to ask you questions.
Action.
Who are you?
Oh, hey. I'm Heidi's sister, Donna, from Masontown, West Virginia.
What's your favorite part of Hatfield?
I love the trail so far, but this is the first time I've been there, so it's been a really good experience and not too bad, so I'm good. I'm having fun.
So
You get dirty.
what about all the dust?
A lot of dust. Claritin is your friend. The mask and goggles. I bought a goggles today because my eyes got murdered out yesterday. So now I invested in goggles. So if you are coming, bring goggles, something to cover up your nose so you don't inhale all the dust, because you will. That's no lie. And
thank you once again for hanging out with us on one of our crazy adventures. Trail Seeker Adventures loves getting out and hitting the trails, but it even makes it better when you can do it with your family and friends. Make sure you take full advantage of the life that you live. Get out, spend time with your loved ones. In 2023, we'll be down here at Ashland Resorts again. Load up your machine, come out and hang out with you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.